Commonly known as solar panels, photovoltaic modules are used to generate electricity. Solar panels are made from photovoltaic cells. Photo meaning light and voltaic, the production of electricity. Photovoltaic cells have two layers of semiconductors. Similar to a battery, one layer is negatively charged while the other positive. These layers are protected by two outer shields made from special glass. The semiconductor absorbs photons, or the radiation from the sun, and transforms it into direct current electricity, also known as DC. DC current flows to the inverter, which transforms the power into alternating current, or AC. This process takes place billions of times per second and is noise-free. The power flowing through the inverter is piped through a bidirectional electric meter into the main panel, which distributes the electricity throughout the house. The bidirectional meter displays net power used minus net power produced. When the solar system generates more electricity than you use, the meter spins backwards. What happens at night? The excess electricity generated during the day is fed back to the main panel. It's that simple. Solar panels have a life expectancy of 30 to 40 years. On average, utility costs rise by 6.7% annually. That means a $150 electric bill today will probably be around $720 in 25 years. Allow the sun to be your source of energy. Save the planet. Cut down or eliminate electrical spending. Increase property value and invest in solar today.